Although we now live in a suburb here, we don't always go to the beach. But this morning, we got up early at 6 o'clock and headed towards BK Beach. Come along with us for the ride. Our neighbor, who is also retired, is already up and sweeping the street in front of his house. The thing I love most about living in the suburbs is how wide and clean the main roads are. Da Nang is just so booming. Everywhere you go, cranes dot the skies. They're building 4 large apartment high-rises in this corner. If you want to live like a local, then you head to the beach for a morning swim or exercise between 5 or 7 in the morning. You and 1,000 of your closest friends, of course. But no matter how often we do this, I'm always shocked at how many people are already there. It always makes you feel like you came late to the party. This morning was actually a slow day at the beach. We arrived around 6 o'clock. By 7 a.m., the beach empties pretty quickly as people head home and begin their workday. In late afternoon, the sun begins to withdraw her brutal rays, and the locals come out in droves. The traffic around this street is just horrendous. You're playing Frogger at all times, diverting between vans and pedestrians and other bikes. It's all part of the experience and totally worth it. Now come along with us as we ride to the beach. Around dusk, it's an entirely different vibe and an entirely different set of people. Mostly families, after a long day at work or school, they come and they pour onto the beach, and they laugh, and they play, and they swim before dinner.
Thank